This is just AMZN for Tuesday, June 29th, 2021. I've got Monday and Tuesday on here because for whatever reason, the same trade that I took yesterday worked today. I didn't take it. I hardly looked at the market, but it did really pull right back into the same level it broke out from. Really nice hammer right here. Let's zoom in on this. I spent way too much time looking at a really small screen. There we go. Okay. So try and keep this quick. We retested back here, which is really where we were breaking out yesterday. Retested it again, staying inside of this hammer. And it was over here that gave you a really good place to be buying. Um, I don't know how else to explain it. Like you got the RSI oversold here. It dipped down here. Now, it dipped better yesterday where it came down here, saying overbought. Didn't quite get so far there. But if we switch back to, actually, let's just go look at the call. That way. There we go. So came right back into the $12 price. Yeah, sure. It came in here. Could have had the same order set up. Buy at 12, stop at 11. It would have worked. You would have held through this, which would have been a little bit down for a few minutes, well, 20 minutes or whatever. And then it did end up hitting 15 as a target again. I don't know if it's going to happen again tomorrow, but it's pretty cool to see, you know, the setup that I talked about yesterday that I took working again. So buying here, where this is dipping back down, just like this was really a good place to be buying here after this kind of like a double bottom shape on the RSI. It's just something I've noticed, like it does that. And then, so that would have been entry at 12, stop at 11, so $100 risk, and a target of 15. And that would have filled over here. And it would have been a much quicker trade than what I got into yesterday, buying here and a stop at 11, and then filled over here. So what is that? This was like 2 hours, three hours, almost 3 hours, something like that. And then today it would have been, what's that, like 10:30 to noon. It's like an hour and a half. So yeah, I'd much rather have been in today's trade. And then looking at the puts were, you know, they came back up almost to this $10 price. So like the 10.15, 10.19 I talked about yesterday came back up to not quite 10, 9.95. And that was right over in here. So also the put telling you, hey, it doesn't look like it's going to get too much higher. Even if it does, it, you know, the put not getting much higher means the call shouldn't go much lower. It just reiterates, okay, this is a good place to be buying. So that's it. Look forward again. I don't know if it'll come back down to the same price again. We've got a little bit of a different pattern setting up. So like yesterday, this was like a triangle here. I just drew that really bad. And then you got a little bit of a triangle here. I'm starting to see a bigger triangle, like, whoa, like that high, and then making higher lows like that. It didn't quite get high enough here, but it still looks like this is definitely just, I don't know, in what's it called, increasing triangle. So could we break out and then retest and then go? Maybe. I guess we'll see. So hope this helps. This is just AMZN. Thanks.